Hello, Craig. I wanted to make a quick YouTube video for you. Valerie's sending over, or by the time you get this, you'll have already gotten it, but sending over a breakdown for all of the different parts. So let me bring this guy in real quick. So what we have here is the first line item. We have the router bits specified in there if we wanted to do that. This is the piece suspended with tabs. So we just have to sand those tabs there, these guys on the end. I'll cut a majority of the edge here, obviously leaving this this circular tab piece in the middle there. But it'll have a nice square edge because I'll use an end mill going down and then step around that. And then we'll 3-axis mill all this other stuff, and we'll actually travel along here and then out, but leaving that tab. And we'll step up over the top of that guy right there too. So we have the up easings. This is the breakdown. Valerie rounded it up because our program it ended up being 1,500. When I did it by the per minute, it came to 373.50. But the proposal says $1,500, so an extra $6. But anyway, so here's the breakdown for the other pieces. So the one level turn. So we're going to do it on both sides. We'll use the router bit that'll cut the top profile, flip the piece over, and then the other router bit will cut this bottom section. The runtime's a half hour. So we'll cut one side, flip it over, and then do the other side. So for a total of 125 on the actual runtime programming and tool pathing. That's just a one-time cost, but that's $180. On these guys, the hubs, we've got 4 of those, so we just have the one-time programming and tool pathing at a 1.5 hours. So that's the same. Runtime is a half hour for each part. Once again, flip over, recut the part, and so 2 hours total, $250 an hour, $500. And I will cut those miters if you want me to. You can see I've got the little radius. That's an 1/8 inch radius. So we would be using a 1/4 inch cutter on the inside of that. So if you want me to cut those guys, that's what it'll look like. I can put this back in there so you can see what it looks like. 0.25. Put this guy back in there. 0.25. And put that one back in there. So that shows you what the pieces are going to look like. Way better than just doing a radius on the inside there. It's pretty cool. So anyway, just let me know if you want us to cut those with the router bits, and if you give me the material, I can start cutting these guys this weekend. So let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.